And welcome back, Shima girls. So nice to see you beautiful ladies again. Well, as promised, here is the demonstration video for my Shima Hair Moisturizing Shampoo. We're going to begin right away. Okay, so I pray you ladies learn a lot. And if you have any other questions regarding on how to use my newest project for all hair types, please let me know. Okay, thank you, and let's begin. Okay, Shima girls, first things first, let's prepare ourselves by using the correct hair accessories / hair tools, not black hair destroyers like rubber bands and metal hair clips. Now, the hair accessories and hair tools I am showing you ladies are usually the ones I always use. I always love to use the skinny teeth section of this hair comb. It is great at helping me divide each individual strand 100% better, and thus giving me excellent results at the end of my treatments. Now, we can definitely use the spray bottle to slightly wet our hair, because applying my Shima Hair Moisturizing Shampoo is going to be very similar to the way we apply my Shima Hair Repair Shampoo. We're going to apply my Shima Hair Moisturizing Shampoo to either completely dry hair or to damp hair. Okay, so again, the water bottle is for you ladies who prefer to apply it to damp hair. So you can either use a spray bottle like the one I just showed and simply lightly wet your hair. Okay, now this is the part I really need you ladies to focus on what I am about to show you. Remember that my shampoo will be clarifying your hair, and this means that it will be removing, cleansing your hair of all of the product buildup that built up in your hair. You know, the typical products we buy from the beauty supply store is full of bad, harsh, drying, moisture blocking ingredients. Either too much minerals, too much silicones, too much alcohol, too much petroleum, etc. And all of this tends to do what? It tends to build up in our hair and our scalp as we continue to use these products. Now, I took it upon myself to show you ladies just how much product buildup built in my own hair by using a cheap over-the-counter hair gel. I chose your typical hair gel from my neighborhood beauty supply store that contain, again, too much minerals, too much alcohol, and I use this gel about every other day for about the next 3 weeks. Okay, and here's the result. Now you see with your own eyes the buildup this gel caused, the residue. Now all of this whitish looking stuff on my scalp is the buildup of this hair gel. Okay, this is what we call product buildup. This buildup also appears on our temple and forehead. Now, as you know by now, if you have been a long time user of my Shima hairline cream, my cream would never do this to your hair, you know, leaving abnormal amount of heavy product buildup on our hair. Because again, I created my products to always be lightweight in texture, okay, in after feel and in scent, but to be extremely effective at the same time. But once more, without weighing your hair down. Now, as you saw, I have divided my hair and I scratched at the product buildup with my comb so you can take a closer look at how heavy that product buildup was. For me, that is a serious form of product buildup. So this is going to really put my Shima Hair Moisturizing Shampoo to the test. And it will show you ladies how well it will work at clarifying your hair and scalp. Now, as always, you saw that I divided my hair, and I always do this to begin applying my products one section at a time. And now I have begun applying my Shima Hair Moisturizing Shampoo. Once more, you will apply as much or as little as your hair length and hair texture needs. Now as you saw, I quickly focused the application on the heavy product buildup part so that my shampoo can quickly begin performing by clarifying, moisturizing, and nourishing these parts first. Now I begin using the pads of my fingers and apply gentle pressure as I massage my moisturizing shampoo onto my scalp. Again, focusing on the heavy product buildup. Do not scratch by using your fingernails, ladies. As a matter of fact, be sure your fingernails are perfectly clipped and no hanging nails are in sight before attempting to do this procedure, ladies. Very important. Now eventually this entire section of hair will be saturated with my moisturizing shampoo. As you can see, the silkening properties of my shampoo are also at work, and now I am able to comb easily throughout the entire section of my hair. Again, ladies, this is a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. And with that said, let me add that some ladies who exercise tell me that they sweat a lot and their hair and scalp gets all sweaty and stuff. Well, ladies, my Shima hair moisturizing shampoo will also remove all of that sweat, cleans the hair, and because again it is a sulfate-free shampoo, it will never strip the hair. Okay, so now I put my bobby pin in place, and I'm about to do the same process throughout the entire head. Now, I always stress, take your time with your hair, ladies. Our hair is very fragile and needs our time and gentle care, all right, every step of the way. So you can see all of my hair has been saturated with my Shima hair moisturizing shampoo, and now I am putting on my shower cap. Now, I'm putting on my shower cap because I ran out of my conditioning caps, so the shower cap will work just as well, okay? Okay, Shima girls, stay tuned for the results.